122 trillion SHIB. That's what we're going to get into in this video. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts as we talk Shiba Inu and what's going on within the Shiba Inu price, okay? Because there's a lot of things I want to break down, digest for you guys here on the channel, and then we'll take a quick dive into the charts towards the end of this video, and I'll give you guys my thoughts about that as we get you guys on your way and into the weekend. Guys, this is going to be a very fascinating weekend. I feel it's always something more, too, when we have this big news event such as the Bitcoin ETF. When we hit our stride into the weekend, it's going to be something where a lot of volatility. It's going to be really interesting, too, because a lot of those Wall Street guys out there used to trading Monday through Friday now have a fancy new ETF that's going to spark some interest. If they want to get a little greedy and start trading outside of business hours, they're going to be hitting up the weekend. So I expect a little bit more volume than usual on Saturday and Sunday than we're used to within the crypto game. But that's what I want to break down for you guys. We're going to talk about this 122 SHIB. Okay, so 122 trillion, yes, with a T. So make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button, as well as following me on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. And if you guys hold Shiba Inu, make sure you put that SHIB down below in the comments box, and let's get this discussion going. All right, obviously not financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But we have the risk of Shiba Inu adding another zero. And this article coming out is something I wanted to break down for you guys. It's not intended to be FUD, but it's just intended to give you guys a perspective of what's going on, both sides of the coin, pun intended, okay? And that's what we're seeing within SHIB. You see a crucial challenge as we're trying to eat those zeros, right? Not add them. And this is where you see during the week within crypto, the United States and abroad, this excitement with the Bitcoin ETF. It hasn't really left the meme coins out of the spotlight, okay? So 4 consecutive days where Shiba Inu has had green days, which, take some time to celebrate those green days. It's something where we're going to do that on the channel. Always recognize the green days, because in markets outside of bull cycles, those are far and few between. So celebrate all the wins, guys. But this is where you see Shiba Inu, once the limelight and the new car effect has faded, this is where you saw a little bit of the battle with the bulls and the bears really come into the limelight, okay? So there was basically a back and forth, and this is where you saw Shiba Inu come into the discussion and the argument, will SHIB add that other zero to its price, okay? So in the last 24 hours, we're down to that 401008 level, just basically briefly holding on to that zero. And overnight, guys, we did have some momentum down, and we did give up that zero, okay? So now SHIB is currently trading just above that 401016 level at the time of this recording, okay? But it did get a little bit below that through the night. But this is what's happening, and we're going to look at this the graphic from into and out of into the block, okay? And this is the in the money, out of the money. And the 122.37 trillion Shiba Inus were purchased by over 103,000 addresses at an average price of 4010, okay? So that's kind of where we're at when you look at why we're in this bull versus bear argument, because this level needs to be saved, okay? If we don't basically have the bulls win out at this level, we will break through that psychological resistance and head down to that 509 level, all right? And that's basically inevitable. It's something where you look at this pullback that we've been on, the sell the news event within Bitcoin ETF. That's going to happen, and it's going to be probably, in my opinion, short-lived. Okay, nobody has a crystal ball, but that's kind of where we're looking at when we talk about how important those whole numbers within psychological resistance lines, and keeping above that support would be crucial for SHIB to hold on to that zero. And now I tell you guys this because I know a lot of you guys watching my videos out there are only concerned about SHIB getting to a certain number, okay? When's SHIB going to get to 0001? I get them in my comments all the time. Well, guys, it's more so about what SHIB is doing right here, right now. And that's why I want to show with you guys what's going on in the trading view, because this is something where it's volatile, guys. We have a lot of news with the Bitcoin ETF. You can see a lot of big candles. It is a very volatile trading environment right now, okay? And so if you guys do trade SHIB, I'm sure you've heard of this. xtalgo.com. I've talked about it in some of my previous videos. It's something where it uses a lot of algorithmic indications. When I want to make a trade, I use it as a crypto tool. And you can see basically through the night, we got momentum down, and that's where we had a little bit of sell-off. You can see all of these red candles, and now we're kind of consolidating, so it's going to be very interesting. This is where I would use this indicator as a tool, as a decision-making process for me, not a crystal ball, just as another tool that allows me to do the smartest crypto trade possible. When I combine all of these, I do my own research, due diligence, and then I can make my own crypto decisions. But when I get these flashings, I can really firmly tell where these candles are headed by this momentum. And if we would get the momentum up right now, that would signal a possible buying opportunity for me on SHIB. Okay, and you can look back here. We're looking at 45-minute candles, but this is where you look at this example right here, guys. Right at this level at the 50938 line, okay? We got a momentum down for a little bit. Okay, we went down to the 5092 level, so very much a fractional decrease. And since this momentum up flash right at that 50922 level, we did not get any momentum down, okay, until we closed that candle out at a 10.5% increase. Okay, firmly, solely, in my opinion, due to the XT algo, it works. It's not a sales pitch. It absolutely works. Okay, so this was 10.5% that you could have realized within this trade using this algorithm indicator, and more so, it's something where I'm looking to make money using this indicator into the future because, guys, like I say, celebrate those wins. Celebrate the wins in crypto. It's something few and far between. So when we get these very, very good trades we can make in crypto, it's something where profits are few and far between, especially coming out of this bear market. A lot of people got wrecked, myself included at times. So I just wanted to take the time to share with you this very exciting product, xtalgo.com. Promo code down below in the description, 20% off if you use my code, as well as the 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If you don't like it, it doesn't work, you hate it, you think I'm a liar, money back, no questions asked. But it does work for me. I've made a lot of money using XT Algo, so I just wanted to share it with my subscribers as well. So when it comes to SHIB, guys, it's this battle we're having right now within the bears and the bulls. If we look into the Shiba Inu prices, giving back that zero will probably happen. Nobody has a crystal ball, guys. That's what's important. So make sure you guys are out there being vigilant, do your own research, do your own due diligence with all things crypto. But more so, have some fun. Enjoy the bull cycle as we approach it. It's something where there's a lot of people I talk to in crypto. Very exciting times lie ahead, not just within Shiba Inu, but the entire crypto market. I think we're looking for a very strong 2024. So that's what I got. I hope you all are doing well as we approach the weekend. Remember to subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button as well. Let me know down below in the comments your guys' thoughts. I try to answer each and every one of you as I get them, but as the channel grows, it's always a good thing. But as the channel grows, it's a little harder to respond in a timely manner like I like to do so. But I'll try my best for you guys. So appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.